Hello there.
That's it?
That's it?
That's all you got?
Where are we going, Matthew?
We're going to Epcot.
What are we going to do at Epcot?
We're going to get some food, maybe ride a couple rides, and see the 4th of July fireworks.
That's true. So, happy 4th of July, everybody.
Happy 4th of July.
We gotta let Brayden try now. Brayden, do you wanna try?
Hello there. Today we are going to Epcot, maybe ride some rides, eat food, and watch the 4th of July fireworks.
Are we going to Soren?
What do you think we should do first, Braden?
Go to Soren.
You think so?
I think we should go to the...
Matthew, what's your favorite scene at Soren? Don't know? You got a favorite country?
America.
America, good answer. Erica, what's your favorite scene in Soren?
Oh, what's the one that smells good?
A few of them.
Are you thinking about the beach one? Or the
There's the
Indian
orange
one?
grove
where you
in
get, like,
Soren
the
over
saffron?
California.
Honey, what's your favorite?
The beach one.
Fiji?
I think I
Me
like
too.
the beach one too.
What's your favorite scene in Soren?
I think the elephant.
The elephant?
Yeah.
That's fair. Matt?
I think India just because really relaxing when they go over the Taj Mahal and everything.
Amanda loves the smell of the Taj Mahal area.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
There we go.
This one does smell really good too.
On behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with us.
10-minute wait to get on Living with the Land on 4th of July. That's not bad.
And while this arid landscape may seem lifeless, it is very much alive. The plants and animals that have learned to survive in these harsh conditions make use of what little water they can find. Even the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil that will one day become home to the American farm. Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. Today, we're learning to live with the land, discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental well-being.
Man, that's a big shrimp, ain't it?
Wow, look at how big that one is.
That thing's huge.
The one on top.
Yeah.
Familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains growing here: wheat, maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice. Together, we can continue to find more ways to increase food production and protect our precious natural environment. Only then will we truly be living with the land.
I got the churro milkshake. It's kind of hard to sip.
What's on it?
There's a small premium bar, a pretzel, a churro, this like cracker thing, and some whipped cream. That is really good.
Tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Let me try.
That's really good. Does not taste like cinnamon toast.
Yes, it does.
Cinnamon toast crunch. That's way better.
But it doesn't have like a really heavy. Like,
Okay, yeah, that's really good.
kind of.
I agree with the cinnamon toast crunch.
You want to ride with me, kid? You haven't ridden with me in a while.
No.
No, you're too cool for that now? Now that you're 11?
I rode after Oregon with you.
That's true. Excited for this, Brayden? Are you a big Finding Nemo fan?
I'm kind of like
Well, there's Marlon.
Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, sun is right there.
You think those are real jellyfish, Brayden?
No.
Are you sure? Don't let those things sting me.
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh,
Uh-oh.
I'm thinking of something pink.
We're slowing down.
bouncy that looks like
Stay in your seats while Crush Man sees what he can do to get you moving again. In the big old blue.
You gotta sing the song, Brayden.
right. Okay, now.
You know the song?
Pink, kind of balloony.
Do you know it?
You're good.
In the big blue world.
Alright, Mr. Smart. Yes.
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh.
Get him out of dude.
Look at the shark. See the shark, Brayden? You'll see it over on this side. Get ready. See it? Look at the size of that shark. Right there, that's real. You see it swimming behind. I'm serious. I'm dead serious. I'm not joking. These are the real fish in the aquarium. I told your son over there, I said, look, Brayden, see the shark going by? He said, that's not a real shark. He didn't believe me. I said, this is the aquarium. He didn't believe me that it was a real shark.
That's funny because
He thought it was a part of the show or something.
it looks like it has plastic surgery done.
You're right to my neck.
you're all right. That was the hammerhead shark. And we've got a sea turtle sleeping inside the hidden Mickey.
Fish.
We're in the Seas Pavilion at the bathrooms, and we're going to be trying the water fountains. But we have some special guests, Matthew and Braden. Coldness, I give like maybe a 5.5. Chlorine, I'd give a 7.5. Overall, I'd give it maybe a 5.5. What's the X? So you leave it at 6? Yeah. His final rating is 6, and it's Matthew's turn.
Okay, so the water pressure is like maybe a 7, pretty good. For coldness, I'll give it maybe like a 3.5. Overall, I'll give it a 7.5.
To ensure your safe tour of our sensory labs, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet and legs inside your tour tram.
We
Keep a
haven't.
watchful eye on your children and oh yes.
We haven't been on this in months. What's the top speed, like 2? I'll tell you, Astro Orbiter, I had to hold my hat down. I couldn't. I wanted to put my arms up, but I had to, my hat was starting to pick up.
On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie-coochie-coo, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour.
For every sound your ears are hearing, 1,000 thoughts can start appearing, and each of us imagines different things from just the sound. Your mind has wings. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. There's more to sight than meets your eye.
Oh, it even says coffee. I didn't notice that. It says coffee. That like they play the trick on you and they warn you. They give you the spoiler.
I'd love to.
Figment, this is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination. So let the good times roll. Woohoo! You win 1 cent.
Figment, don't! Oh, yeah, that really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. One awful whiff can send you reeling. One lovely sniff can be appealing. Your mind defines what enters through your nose. That's how you tell a skunk is not a rose. Doc, it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brains of an elephant.
Imagination is just turning your thinking upside down. Come on, it's time to get back to the institute.
I'm gonna suck it.
Imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast. Imagination, imagination. A dream, hit me, a dream come true. With just a spark from me and you.
One little spark of inspiration is at the heart of all creation, right at the start of everything.
we're here in the Regal Eagle. We're in the waiting to check out line to get our food. We're probably going to try to get some food and watch the fireworks. But I just wanted to share this because it's the closest thing we get to Muppets nowadays. It's a silhouette of Gonzo and Sam Eagle.
Are you excited, Erica? You get to
Very.
see Luminous for the first time and the 4th of July fireworks.
I've only seen it on your videos.
Luminous?
Yeah.
It's underrated, I'll say that. I think it's underrated.
A spectacular celebration of the music we make when we come together as one.
They're keeping the ball red, white, and blue. Usually the geodesic sphere. I just screwed up just like Sam. They're keeping Spaceship Earth red, white, and blue. Usually it changes like colors and shapes and everything throughout the night.
Evening. Tonight, we invite you to join us for Luminous, the Symphony of Us. Due to lower light levels during the show, we ask that you please watch your step and be sure to take small children by the hand.
Symphony of Us.
Happy 4th of July.
Today we celebrate generations of people from all walks of life who have woven their stories together to form this tapestry that is the United States of America.
Join us now in a salute to the enduring spirit of the American people who stand together and become the heartbeat of freedom.
What your country can do for you. I am a dream today. Ask what you can do for your country.
We hold these truths to be self-evident. That all men are created equal.
That they are endowed with certain unalienable rights.
And that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. this 4th of July. We hope you have a wonderful evening and enjoy the rest of your visit here at Walt Disney World Resort. Good night.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Red, white, blue.
Red, white, blue? What does that mean?
Red, white, blue.
What are you doing?
For 4th of July.
Where's the right on the ground? Oh, there's like
Red, white, blue.
I'll do it to you now.
It is the morning of July 5th. We got home late last night. We saw a lot of fireworks the whole way home. Both sides of the road were all lit up. But what did everybody think about the Epcot fireworks?
I thought the Epcot fireworks were amazing. The grand finale, was mind-blowing. They had 2 different set-off sites, and it was just continual overboard of fireworks for 30 seconds?
Something like that.
It was crazy.
The fireworks continued where they usually do for Luminous, and then they also were going off directly behind the American Pavilion. My jaw dropped.
Yeah.
When they were going off at the same time. The humidity was so high and there were so many fireworks going off that the smoke got to a point where you couldn't see 50 feet in front of you.
Yes. It was a great show. It was a great show.
We will definitely be going back again next year.
Oh, definitely.
The crowds weren't bad until we got to Regal Eagle.
Yeah.
It took a very long time to get our food at Regal Eagle. We didn't even film it because it was so chaotic.
Yeah. Yeah, we weren't even able to mobile order ahead of time because the nearest mobile order time frame was an hour away from what time it actually was.
Yeah, the mobile order gave us a window of 55 to 85 minutes.
Yeah.
Because it was so packed. People were lining up, finding their spot for the fireworks 2 hours in advance.
Yeah.
7 o'clock, everybody was already finding a spot.
Yeah.
Regardless of the crowds, the wait times on rides were real short.
Yeah.
There was plenty of walking room. It wasn't like you were going through a mob of people. It was just the Regal Eagle was packed, and there was a whole bunch of people watching fireworks. But aside from that, this is probably going to become an annual tradition.
Yeah. Actually, it was really cool, too, because a lot of... there was a whole line of cast members behind us just standing there watching the fireworks show with us, too. That was really neat. There was probably 7 or 8 of them standing there together.
Probably more than that. I bet there was probably a dozen or more.
Maybe.
Well, we're getting breakfast. My sister's family, this is her last day down here. We're going to just go out to Denny's together. We'll probably have a couple more videos coming out next week of the stuff we did with them. But I wanted to get the 4th of July videos out right away.